Hey everybody, so this is going to be a quick tool haul video from Harbor Freight. I picked up one item. It's a towing item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, this is just going to be a short tool haul video. I'll take it out of the box and we'll go demo it on the vehicle after. On the unboxing video. This is just a Kenway 4-way trailer light tester. Tests right, left tail lights and brakes. I would assume it tests blinkers as well for tow vehicles. Easy to use, just plug in to the 4-flat connector on your tow vehicle. How to use: have an assistant read the tester while you're operating lights in the vehicle. Plug tester into flat connector on your tow vehicle. Turn on running lights in the tow vehicle. The tail lights on tester should light up. Activate left turn signal. The LT light on the tester should light up. Activate the right turn signal. The RT light on the tester should light up. Press the brakes in the tow vehicle. Both LT and RT should light up. If tester lights do not come on, check the connection with the 4-flat plug. Light failure on the testers are lights coming on in the wrong sequence. Indicates a fault in the trailer wiring on the tow vehicle. Check your vehicle's wiring diagram for correct sequence. So we're gonna unbox it real quick in the next video, and we're just gonna go out there and we're just gonna go do a test real quick just to see. I figured it'd come in handy. It was only at Harbor Freight. It was only $3.97. It is part number 64871. Thank you guys for watching. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. I appreciate your guys' time, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.